Yesterday, gold has created another bearish candle. After the price formed this bearish candle, touching 2586.24 resistance level, yesterday the candle has a large wick on the upper side and a smaller wick on the lower side, where we can see another bearish candle body has been created. The price has retested 2550.00 as the next support, and we can see the price is bouncing from this support, which means that this demand zone is pretty strong. Yesterday we can see a pretty large wick on the upper side where the prices try to move to the above 2586.24 as resistance level to make a bullish breakout, but because of the strong resistance here where the price cannot make a bullish breakout for 3 days, and yesterday was the 4th day, the price has fall down and reached a first support level. Now, what we can expect from this area where the price currently is? Currently, it is the best way to see where the price will make a breakout. Will there be a bearish breakout, which will be below 2550.00, where the next stop will be 2525.80, a next daily support, or the price will go and try to attack 25860.24, a resistance level. I had drawn this uptrend channel, and we can see these trend lines where where one of these trend lines is crossing this resistance level, which makes a strong confluence of a resistance. When we have a confluence of resistance, that means a pretty strong currently a supply zone where the sellers are waiting. So it will be very hard for the price to make a bullish breakout easily. For now, we can see it is pretty hard already, but also it will be in the future for the price when it comes to this price level. Will the price come here? It depends everything on the price, how the price will behave on the lower time frames like 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. Those details, how the price behaves and what are the important support levels for the price around this area and also around this area, I will share with the details inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to check it, feel free to check the link. For now, the conclusion is to wait until the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame as support and the resistance levels to determine where the price could go in the future. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.